Good morning, Foray. Today is Thursday, the 28th of May, and today is the final day of our short week. So give it your best and enjoy. Okay, first of all, yes, I would like to tell you what's going to be happening today. Um, Right, guys. So today we will start the day with maths. Again, there is no new learning in maths. All you're going to be doing is working on some word problems that involve multiplication and division. That's all you are going to do. All right, and then you will have English. You will have an English class. In this English class, you're going to work on your cracking comprehension. The story's name is Eye of the Wolf. So please, guys, when you log in, do not go into Cracking Comprehension Year 4. Go into Cracking Comprehension Year 5 and access this story. The Eye of the Wolf. At least I think. Yes, Eye of the Wolf. So this is the story that you will read and complete a quiz on cracking comprehension. Please, this is in year 5. As I said before, I'd like you to try out some harder quizzes these days. So that's why we're leveling up to year 5. All right, brilliant. The third lesson is social studies. Actually, I'm quite excited about this social studies lesson because it's going to be on the new 7 wonders of the world. And actually, I would like to maybe come online for this one. So the third lesson starts at 10:10, I think. So at 10 minutes after 10, I would like you guys to come online so we can go through this lesson together. It's a really nice one. I will set up a meeting and I will let you know, but please do make sure you are online and available for this lesson. It's just at the beginning, a couple of minutes, and then I'll leave the rest of the lesson for you to work on your activity. All right, that's your social studies. And then the fourth lesson is UAE Social Studies B with me. Then others will have either Arabic or Islamic, depending on your schedule. Guys, so UAE Social Studies, you will have to submit a picture of your activity. It's going to be on Ramadan and Eid, so you're going to talk about especially Eid and in your activity about Eid, but in general, the whole lesson is on Ramadan and Eid and about what do these two things mean. All right, to people, I mean. Anyway, we will have to, as I mentioned yesterday, the day today will finish at 12 o'clock. However, it doesn't mean that at 12 o'clock you will switch off your computer and go and do something that is not school related. No, at 12 o'clock, that is your time to catch up with work you haven't completed. So those that I named yesterday, I want to see your writing work done, and please do submit that workbook page. Guys, it's an easy page, and I told you please try to do it today. Actually, yesterday I told you please try to do it today, so you don't actually have to bother or do it later on. Only half of you submitted that workbook page. Guys, it's only one page and it's really easy, so come on. By tomorrow, you will have, actually tomorrow you will have 2 extra hours just to do your work. So in those 2 hours, I want to see that you've completed your workbook, and those you have not done the writing yet, writing will be completed. All right, perfect. So that is your day today. The meeting I'd like to arrange for 12. It will be a short one because we will do the social studies lesson together and there won't be much left to explain after that. So just we will meet at 12 o'clock. Okay. All right. And riddles, please don't forget to answer the riddle today so I can mark you present. The riddle was about a rooster. So the riddle went, there is a rooster sitting on top of a barn. If it laid an egg, which way would it roll? So So basically I had, how many of you? 22 comments. Okay, so these people were marked absent for the morning. And the answer was a rooster cannot lay an egg because a rooster is a male, okay, a male chicken. So a rooster cannot lay eggs, only the females lay eggs, okay? So most of you, rooster does not lay eggs, Celine, Shaheen, Ira, basically all of you who commented on this story um, on the Class Dojo Wolfra class basically answered the correct thing. It doesn't lay an egg. Okay, a rooster is a male. Okay, good. The riddle for today that I want to see answers to is, which weighs more? Okay, a pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? What do you think? Once again, which will weigh more? A pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? So please let me know in the comments. And an inspirational quote for today, I chose this one. It's a really nice one. I really love it because it says a lot about education. So it says, winning doesn't always mean being first. All right. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before or yesterday. All right. So winning is not always about being first in a competition. Okay. Or being the first one to finish in the class. Okay. But winning means that you did better than yesterday. So if I scored on my spelling quiz 5 out of 10, and next time I score 6 or 7 out of 10, I get a better score, that's a win for me. Okay, so I always want you to try your best, even if it's in small steps, try to improve. And if you do improve, you're always a winner. Okay. All right, great. So see you in the social studies lesson 10 past 10, and then we will meet again at 12 o'clock. Looking forward.